Intro: choosing the right dog food is essential for your pet's health, energy, and longevity. In 2024, advancements in pet nutrition have led to a range of high-quality options tailored to various breeds, life stages, and dietary needs. From protein-rich, grain-free formulas to organic, holistic blends, the best dog foods are carefully crafted with quality ingredients and no artificial fillers. This guide highlights the top 5 dog foods of 2024, focusing on balanced nutrition, ingredient transparency, and palatability. Whether your dog has specific health concerns or you simply want the best for their well-being, these choices offer premium nutrition and taste. Product 1: Purina 1 Chicken and Rice Formula Dry Dog Food in the 40 pounds bag is a top choice for pet owners seeking high-quality, balanced nutrition that supports overall health and wellness. With real chicken as the primary ingredient, this formula provides a rich source of protein, essential for building and maintaining lean muscles and promoting a healthy heart. The addition of rice enhances digestibility, making this formula gentle on the stomach and suitable for dogs. With sensitive digestive systems, this dog food includes a blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system, helping to keep your dog active and healthy. Glucosamine, derived from natural sources, supports joint health and mobility, which is especially valuable for large breeds or senior dogs. Omega-6 fatty acids, along with vitamins A and E, promote a shiny coat and healthy skin, ensuring your dog looks and feels their best. Purina 1's commitment to natural ingredients is evident, as this formula is free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. The 40 pounds bag is convenient for households with multiple pets or larger dogs, providing a cost-effective and nutritious solution. This balanced blend of taste, quality, and value makes Purina 1 Chicken and Rice Formula a favorite among pet owners. Product 2: IAMS Proactive Health Mini Chunks Adult Dry Dog Food with Real Chicken in the 40 pounds bag is crafted for pet owners looking to support their dog's overall health with a tasty, balanced formula. Real chicken is the first ingredient, offering high-quality protein that helps build and maintain strong muscles. This formula is designed with small, easy-to-chew kibbles, making it ideal for adult dogs of all sizes, including smaller breeds. The IAMS Proactive Health Formula includes a blend of wholesome grains, fruits, and vegetables that provide fiber for healthy digestion. Enriched with antioxidants like vitamin E, this dog food supports immune system health, while omega-6 fatty acids nourish the skin and coat, keeping your dog's fur shiny and healthy. Additionally, the inclusion of essential minerals and nutrients helps promote strong bones and joints, contributing to overall mobility and vitality. Free from artificial preservatives and fillers, IAMS Proactive Health Mini Chunks prioritizes high-quality ingredients, focusing on natural nutrition for optimal health. The convenient 40 pounds bag is perfect for multi-dog households or larger breeds, providing long-lasting nutrition. IAMS' commitment to scientifically formulated, tailored nutrition makes this a trusted choice for pet owners who want the best for their dogs. Product 3: Kibbles and Bits Original Savory Beef Chicken Flavors Dry Dog Food in the 45 pounds bag offers a tasty and affordable option for pet owners seeking variety in their dog's diet. This formula combines savory beef and chicken flavors in a crunchy kibble, providing an enjoyable mealtime experience for dogs of all breeds and sizes. The dual texture design features both crunchy bits and soft, chewy morsels, adding extra appeal and making it easier for dogs to chew. This dog food delivers balanced nutrition with protein sources like beef and chicken meal to support strong muscles and maintain energy levels for active play and daily exercise. Additionally, it includes a blend of essential vitamins and minerals to support overall health, including a healthy immune system, strong bones, and dental care through kibble that helps clean teeth. While Kibbles and Bits is known for its affordability, it still aims to provide essential nutrients without artificial flavors. The large 45 pounds bag is ideal for households with multiple dogs or larger breeds, offering a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on taste. Kibbles and Bits Original is a convenient, satisfying choice that combines flavor and nutrition, helping to keep dogs happy and healthy. Product 4: Pedigree Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food in Roasted Chicken Vegetable Flavor, available in an 18 pounds bag, is a popular choice for dog owners seeking a balanced, budget-friendly option. Formulated with wholesome ingredients, this dry dog food delivers essential nutrients to support a healthy and active lifestyle for adult dogs of all breeds and sizes. The roasted chicken flavor, combined with a hint of vegetables, provides a delicious taste that keeps dogs excited for mealtime. The Pedigree Complete Nutrition formula includes high-quality protein to help maintain lean muscles and support overall strength. Additionally, it contains a fiber blend that aids in digestion, promoting a healthy gastrointestinal system. Enriched with essential vitamins and minerals, this dog food supports a strong immune system, while omega-6 fatty acids contribute to a shiny coat and healthy skin. Each kibble is designed to support dental health, helping to clean teeth and freshen breath with every bite. Free from added sugar, artificial flavors, and high-fructose corn syrup, Pedigree focuses on providing natural nutrition for everyday wellness. The 18 pounds bag is ideal for single-dog households, offering a balanced, tasty diet that supports overall health and well-being without breaking the bank. Product 5. Purina Moist and Meaty Burger with Cheddar Cheese Flavor Dry Soft Dog Food Pouches offers a convenient and flavorful meal solution for pet owners and their dogs. This soft, moist dog food is designed to be easy to chew, making it an excellent choice for dogs of all sizes, including those who may have difficulty with traditional dry kibble. Each serving combines a savory burger flavor with cheddar cheese, creating a taste that appeals to even the pickiest eaters. Packaged in individual pouches, Purina Moist and Meaty is portioned for convenience, making it easy to serve as a complete meal or a tasty topper to mix with dry food. The 216-ounce pack is perfect for multi-dog households or for adding variety to a single dog's diet. Along with its appealing taste, this food provides balanced nutrition with essential vitamins and minerals to support energy, muscle strength, and overall health. Purina Moist and Meaty contains no artificial preservatives, focusing on quality ingredients that support a healthy lifestyle. The soft, moist texture is gentle on the teeth and gums, making it a suitable option for senior dogs as well. This easy-to-serve meal option combines nutrition, flavor, and convenience, ensuring dogs enjoy every bite. The link is given in the description box below this video. By clicking on this link, you can buy the product very easily, and if you like the video, subscribe to our channel and keep the notification on the side so that the video reaches you as soon as the next video is uploaded.